YouTube, I'm back with part 3 of building my custom console for my Monte Carlo. So on this video, let me show you what I did already. Since it's part 3, show you what I did already is I cut some more pieces to brace this part and brace this part over here, the left and right side of the console, and put a 2x4 in the middle to brace it even more. See, that's the top part. These the side pieces. And that's what it looked like from the side. Okay, I already pre-cut this board right here for the radio. Part right here. Of course, it's not gonna stay there because it's not glued or nailed there, but you get the idea. Also, I cut the pieces out for the hold on. Pieces out for the cup holders. Cup holders gonna go here, radio right there, and depending on how it fit inside my G body, I don't know, do I want to move the cup holders down here and put a little piece there so the drinks won't be in front of the radio, or do I want to just keep it like that and just have it where it sink down, the cup holder sink down, and then you can see the radio? But I don't know, do I want to extend it out like this? You get what I'm saying? Extend it out like that. I might extend it out like this, put another piece in the middle right here, and extend it out. But this is part 3, and I cut those pieces out. I used my measuring tape and measured the console. So I will be using putty to get inside these little creases right here on the side. Putty right here. And when I get ready to do my final thing, once I put the putty and get it all cut out, I put the putty on the side and shape up some of the rough edges with a sander, and then paint it. Now I don't know, do I want to like these screws sticking out? I don't know how I'm gonna do this. I might put some kind of leather or some kind of material over this, and down over here too, material. I don't know what kind of material I'm gonna use at this point, but I'm just trying to get everything in line so I can have a console. And this is very easy to do. It's easier than I thought it would be. Hard. Yeah, guys, it is real affordable to do. I paid $25 for the wood, a couple of dollars for the nails. You also have to have the correct saw, the correct battery gun, and tape measure to complete this task. But remember, you use cardboard as a template to cut out all these pieces that you want to do before you start cutting into your board. So like I said, this the inside. I might put another piece of wood here to straighten it up so it can be stronger, and it would be another piece of wood going from right here to right here from one side to the other side of the console. And yeah guys, this part 3 of how far I got with my console. So that's it guys. Stay tuned for more videos on the custom console build. Thanks for watching.